Hello everyone. As you all know very well, the board exam for the Karnataka is very much near, and here I have been brought up the passing package for the chapter arithmetic progression. So in this video, I have been solved the previous 5 years questions from arithmetic progression chapter. So I have been separated the problems related to the marks. So first we'll be solving 2 more questions, then 3, 4, and 5. So let us see the 2 more questions one by one. These all the questions what we are going to discuss. They all appeared in your board exam from the past 5 years. Okay, so this year even the questions will arise from this questions itself, but with different values it may be. Okay, but the concept will be the same. Okay, let us see one by one. So here are the poems, list of the poems which we are going to solve it in this video from the first one 12 poems, and if you want we can just take the screenshot of these poems. Okay, here after scrolling completely down we'll be solving one by one. Okay, so let us solve the 2 more questions. The first one, the very simplest one, they're asking to find out the 12th term of AP. Okay, 12th term. So you must be knowing the formula of AP, that is AN is equal to A plus of N minus 1D. Here A stands for first term, N is nothing but number of terms, and D stands for common difference. Okay, so they're asking to find out the N, 12 term. So that is N is equal to 12. Okay, so A value, what will be your A value? So here they gave the AP series. The first term 2 will be your A value. Okay, and to find out common difference, you have to use the formula. What is that formula? A2 minus A1. Okay, so preceding term minus the previous terms. That is 5 minus 2 will give the value as 3. That is your common difference. Just substitute in your formula. That is A12 is equal to A value is P. So 2 plus N value is 12 minus 1, D value is 3. Just do the calculation 2 plus, I cannot multiply first, I need to subtract it. 12 minus 1 will give 11, I would say 3 as it is. 2 plus 11, 3 will be 33, that will give the answer as 34. That is the first one. That's up to the first one. Second one is also the similar one. Here I show you the second one directly. So 30th term they're asking to find out. So A30 formula remains the same. So here, can you say me what is the A value? A value is 5 plus N is 30 minus 1D. Common difference is how much? 8 minus 5. Second term minus person. That will give me again 3. Right. So 3 as it is. 5 plus 30 minus 1 will give me 29 of 3. So 5 plus 29 of 3 will give me 87. 5 plus 87 will give me as 92. The 30th term is how much? 92. That's it for the first and the second one. Let us go with the third one without wasting much of the time. Okay. So, as you can see, these 6 questions have been marked with the same color. Why? Because all these 6 problems are similar. All these 6 problems are very much similar. So, let us solve one by one. So, I'll be solving the third one. Third question. Okay, they asked me to find the sum of first 20 terms. Sum formula is different. What is that sum formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus of n minus 1d. That is the sum formula. I hope you are very much familiar with the formula. They are asking to find out the sum of how many terms? 20 terms. So n की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? 20. So 20 by 2 of 2a. What is our EY? Here they gave the arithmetic progression, that is 2, 5, 8, right? So what is our A value? A value is 2 and B value will be 5 minus 2, that will give us 3. Okay, so substitute in our formula. So A value as we got as a 2, so of 2 plus N is 20 minus 1, D value is 3. So 20 by 2 come cancel कर सकते हैं 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 10 we're gonna write down of 4 plus 19 of 3. So 10 plus 10 of 4 plus 19 3 I will give the values how much? 3 nines are 27. 3 ones are 3 4 57. So 10 of 61 multiply will get transfer of 610. That means जब 20 terms को ऐड करेंगे तो उनका टोटल कितना आएगा हमें 610 and all these 6 columns are of similar kind. You have to use the same formula, just a and the common difference and the n value gets changes. As you can see, n value is also similar. In all this question, they are asking you to find the sum of 20 terms. So the n value is same for all this question, just a and the common difference changes. Okay, confuse नहीं होना क्योंकि 6th 7th 8th they gave you a plus plus. Okay, does not mind 2 plus 7 plus 12. That means they're adding the first term, second term, and third term. They gave it directly, but you have to consider as 2, 7, 12 in that way. Okay. So remember, they gave the first term, second term, and third term. Don't confuse it just by seeing the positive signs. Okay. So that's it from 3 to 8 columns. If just solve it for you all it is. If any doubt, let me know. I shall be giving the solution for rest of the columns which I have not solved, which I am giving for you all to practice it. Okay. Just comment your doubt, then we will just answering your doubt. Let us go with the ninth question now. Okay. So they're asking you find the sum of the first 20 positive integers. For this problem, the formula is different. It's completely different. I hope you may be knowing the formula, which formula we're gonna use it. The formula is some formula that is Sn is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula which we're gonna use it for this problem. Okay, so what is our n value? They gave you of 20 terms. First 20 positive, that is n value is 20 of 20 plus 1 divided by. Okay, why I'm not using Sn is equal to n by 2a plus 1? Because they did not give any AP series. How I gonna find out a value and d value, right? So that's what. So I'll be going with this formula. So 2 ones and 2 tens are 10 of 20 plus 1 will give me 21 and multiply with the transfer as 210. That is the sum of first 20 positive integers. If you want, we can just solve it by taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 20. And you can use it A value and D value and you can search it in the previous form. Which formula we're going to use? That formula you can use it. Okay. Any option, any of the option you can use it to solve this problem. So let us go with the 10th one. Even if you're feeling any doubtful, just comment your doubt. We shall try to give the answer for your doubt. Okay. Let us go with the 10th one. As you can see, the 10th question and the 11th question have been marked the same color because these both are of same kind. So out of two, any one I'll be solving and one is for you all. Okay. As you can see in both the questions, they gave the AP series and they are asking a particular term, 10th term and 16th term. Okay. So I'll be solving 11. Okay. For you all, I shall solve 11. They give the series that is A is equal to 7 and difference will be 11 minus 7 is how much? 4. They're asking you to find out the 16th term. Which term? 16th term. Right. Let us solve that 16th term question. So here's 16th term using formula. Here's 16. So formula remains the same. Some formula gonna use it. So S16 is equal to n by 2 की जगह n की जगह क्या लिखेंगे 16 divided by 2 as it is 2. A का value is 7 plus n value is 16 minus 1. D value is what 4. This we can cancel it. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 15 of 4. Right. So 8 of 14 plus 15 4s are 60. So 8 into 14 plus 60 will give the value as 74. So 8 into 74 will give the value as how much? 590. That means that is 592. Yeah. 10th one I have been left for you all. Just comment your answer. I will just 10th one is for you all. Just comment your answer. I will just answering whether it is right or wrong. Okay. So let us go with the 12th one. 12th one. They're asking you how many terms of the arithmetic progression must be added to get sum of 165. Okay. So they're asking you कितने terms को add करेंगे तो हमारा sum 165 आएगा. That means we need to find out about our ANVAD. Remember. Okay. They give the AP. That is A value is 3 and D value is also 3. Why? Because second term minus first term will give the values of 3. Same. Okay, they gave the Sn value. That means total sum is how much? 165. So Sn is equal to 165. I'm gonna write down. Okay. So Sn का formula है n by 2, right? So n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1t is equal to 165. I just wrote the formula. Let us substitute the values now. N by 2 I'm gonna write down as it is because I don't know n value. 2. A value we know that is 3 plus n value as it is n minus 1. D value is also 165. Okay, so n by 2 of 2 3 the 6 plus इसको multiply कर लेते हैं 3n minus 3 आएगा is equal to 165. Okay, so n by 2 we're gonna write down as it is. Okay, so as you can see 6 minus 3 I can separate it. So 3 plus 3 and I gonna get it is equal to 165. This two इसको cross multiply कर सकते हैं. Okay, so and this I can multiply. So 3n plus 3n square is equal to 165 into I just cross multiply. Okay, so first square का term लिखेंगे. That is 3n square plus 3n और ये 165 into 2 करेंगे तो कितना आएगा हमें 330. I should solve it here. So 3n square plus 3n and 330 को हम लेफ्ट साइड लाएंगे तो क्या आएगा minus 330 is equal to 0. We are finding n value, remember? Okay. So now this is in the form of factorization. So factorize करना पड़ेगा इसका of this polynomial equation. But as you can see, ये तीनों term में something is common. What is it common? 3 is common. 3 क्यों common लिया? Because 330 goes in 3 tables. That's why. Remaining is n square plus n minus 110 is equal to 0. Cross multiply करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 0 आएगा n square plus n minus 110 is equal to 0. Okay. So first और last को multiply करेंगे तो क्या आएगा हमें 110 n square. अब इसका फैक्टर्स ढूंढना पड़ेगा. 110 का फैक्टर्स क्या है 11 10 n लगाना जरूरी है because middle term plus n है, right? तो क्या करना पड़ेगा दोनों को whether I should add or subtract. Obviously add करेंगे तो 21 आएगा, subtract करेंगे तो 1 आएगा, right? 1n आएगा. So 11n minus 10n will give me 1n. Write 1n or just the n, both are one and the same, remember. So ये substitution method है. middle term को substitute करना पड़ेगा. क्या substitute करना पड़ेगा? ये दो टर्म्स जो है ना उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा इन द प्लेस ऑफ मिडल टर्म्स. तो n की जगह क्या लिखेंगे 11n minus 10n minus 110 is equal to 0. So let us take out the common voice count between the first two terms. n is common, so n plus 11 minus 10 is common, remaining is n plus 11 is equal to 0. ओके बहुत सारे बच्चों को डाउट ये है सर यहाँ पे माइनस से आपने लिखा है प्लस द कॉन्सेप्ट इज लाइक व्हाट यू नो बात जो भी साइन रहता है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन में जो है वो लाना पड़ेगा दैट मीन्स माइनस जो है वो लाना पड़ेगा सो माइनस इंटू प्लस में जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब मुझे माइनस है ओके दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट so in this two term what is that common n plus 11 is common remaining is n minus 10 is equal to 0 दोनों में से एक आंसर है n प्लस 11 इज इक्वल टू 0 लगाएंगे तो क्या आएगा आंसर n इज इक्वल टू माइनस 11 नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं रह सकते ओके सो n minus 10 is equal to 0 n is equal to 10 that's our answer that means when we add 10 terms that time we are going to get the total as how much 165 that was the question क्या था समझे ओके कितने टर्म्स को ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा टोटल 165 आएगा ओके सो कितने टर्म्स को ऐड करने के बाद 10 टर्म को हम ऐड करेंगे तो टोटल कितना आएगा हमें 165 दैट वाज अ क्वेश्चन and this was little bit lengthy but even it carries only 2 marks remember these were all the questions related to 2 marks which appeared in the previous 5 years board exam okay so we are discussing purely the Karnataka board questions. Remember that. Okay, let us go with the next main, which consists of 3 mark questions, 4 mark questions, as well as 5 mark questions. The video may go a bit lengthy. That's why I have been skipped few of the problems for you all. You can just comment your answers related to those problems. I will be just replying for them. Okay. So let us go with the next main questions. Okay, this is the second main. Okay, first question, not that difficult one. You must be very much familiar. Why I'm saying that? Because this kind of problems we have been just gone through it through our exercise, right? They're asking you sum of first to 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Okay, means we have to find out the AP series first. कौन से वो नंबर्स है जो डिविजिबल बाय 6 है फर्स्ट नंबर कौन सा रहेगा ऑब्वियसली 6 ही रहेगा बिकॉज 6 6 के टेबल में डिवाइड होगा second will be 12 third will be 18 fourth will be 24 and so on right so we got it our AP series that is A is equal to 6 D is also 6 why 12 minus 6 will give so formula नहीं लिखूंगा but एग्जाम में formula लिखना जरूरी है formula carries the marks remember so 40 by 2 of 2 A का वैल्यू है 6 plus N का वैल्यू है 40 minus 1 D का वैल्यू है 6 40 by 2 को हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं कितना आएगा ऑब्वियसली 20 आएगा और 2 6 12 प्लस 39 ऑफ 6 तो 20 ऑफ 12 प्लस 39 6 का कितना आएगा 234 ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 20 ऑफ 12 प्लस 34 will give me 246 20 into 246 will give me 4920 that is the sum of how many terms? 40 terms which are divisible by 6. Okay, I guess this is the 3 mark question. Okay, was similar one which we did it in our exercise which are divisible by 4 and 5 table, right? Okay, so let us go with the next one which also carries 3 mark. Okay, just copy it on wherever you feel doubtful, just comment your doubt. We shall try to give the reply for your doubt. Okay, let's go with the next. The second and third ये अलग है second first question से अलग है what they are gave you they gave you second and third terms of an AP of 14 and 18 they gave you A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 80 पता है 80 right ओके थोड़ा बहुत दिमाग अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा अगर मुझे फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड आउट करने का है फर्स्ट टर्म ए वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने का है तुम्हें पता है कि आगे का टर्म फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करना पड़ता है. लेट अस फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट कॉमन डिफरेंस. दैट इज कॉमन डिफरेंस d is equal to 18 minus 14 will give me d is equal to बता दे. सो पीछे का टर्म को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, कॉमन डिफरेंस को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो 14 में से 4 गया तो कितना आएगा आंसर 10. So A value we got it as a 10. Okay, we are finding the backward term. Remember, not the forward term. So to find out the backward term, we have to separate the common difference. Okay, let us solve it. They're asking to find out the sum of first 26 terms. So there's 26. N का value है 26 by 2 of 2. A का value है 10 plus n 26 minus 1. A का value है 4. Very easy, just calculation, just little bit of multiplication. 2 ones are 2 13s are 13 आएगा. Cancellation के बाद 2 10s are 20 plus 25 of 4. So 13 of 20 plus 25 into 4 कितना आएगा 100. So 13 into 120. 20 plus 100 will be 120. 13 into 120 will give me the answer as how much? It give me the answer as 1560. That is the sum of how many terms? 26 terms. Remember. So just copy down. I hope you have been copied the solution. Let us go with the next question. That is the third one. Okay. Third question. Find the AP. Find the AP whose third term is 16. Means AP का series find out करना पड़ेगा. Third term is 16. So A3 का value is 16 and seventh term A7 exceeds बोलते ज्यादा. किससे? फिफ्थ टर्म से कितना ज्यादा है 12. ओके बोले तो अगर A5 है 10 तो A7 रहेगा कितना 22. दैट मीन्स A5 से 12 नंबर 7 टर्म ज्यादा है. ओके दैट मीन्स उसको लिखना कैसा पड़ेगा A5 plus 12 इन दैट. A5 कितना है मुझे नहीं पता. We don't know that. Just I gave you the example, right? To understand. Okay. So let us see how to find out. A3 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? A plus 2D is equal to 60. And this A7 I can write as A plus 60 is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. Okay, solve कर लेते हैं. A ये राइट साइड का लेफ्ट साइड ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा माइनस से प्लस 60 माइनस 4D is equal to 12. A minus A cancel. 60 minus 4D is how much? 60 minus 40 will give me 2D is equal to 12. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो D का वैल्यू आएगा 12 by 2. 12 by 2 का वैल्यू कितना आएगा 6. राइट. सो दिस वैल्यू ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में हम डाल सकते हैं. कोई भी इक्वेशन में हम डाल सकते हैं. ये इक्वेशन में भी हम डाल सकते हैं. ओके बट यहाँ पे A का वैल्यू कट हो रहा है तो इसलिए दूसरा इक्वेशन हम यूज करेंगे. सो A plus 2 D का वैल्यू है 6 is equal to 16. 2 6 12 is equal to 16. ट्रांसपोज करो 16 minus 12 का वैल्यू कितना आएगा 4. ओके A का वैल्यू 4 D का वैल्यू 6. ओके एंड दे आर सेइंग टू फाइंड आउट अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन AP सीरीज फाइंड आउट करने का. फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेंड टर्म थर्ड टर्म एंड सो ऑन. फर्स्ट टर्म का वैल्यू 4. अगला टर्म फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो कॉमन डिफरेंस is 6. 4 plus 10 will give me 4 plus 6 will give me 10. 10 plus 6 will give me 16, right? And so on. That's it for the question. Let us go with the fourth one. I hope you have been clear with the explanation. Let us go with the fourth one. Let's see what they're asking us to find out. An AP contains 30 terms. कितने terms है? 30 terms है. Total 30 terms है. Okay. The 17th term is 4. Okay, they gave the condition. What is that? A17 is 4 more than but the Java. इसलिए प्लस करेंगे. Thrice is nothing but 3 fifth term. 3 गुना. Thrice is nothing. 3 गुना ज्यादा. 3 गुना ज्यादा. जैसे कि अगर पर डे में अगर हम 100 रुपए कमाते हैं, ओके, अगर 3 गुना ज्यादा का मीनिंग है कितना? 300 कमाएंगे. दैट इज व्हाट द मीनिंग. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो 3 8 5 यूज करेंगे. एंड टर्न टर्म इज 31. 10th टर्म. सो 8 10 इज इक्वल टू 31 वैल्यू है. ओके, सो A17 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? A प्लस 16D इज इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 3 ऑफ A प्लस 4. Okay, so A plus 16D as it is 4 plus A. 4 plus 3 को ऐड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि 3 के बाद क्या है? टर्म से इन द ब्रैकेट. तो ब्रैकेट निकलना जरूरी है पहले मल्टीप्लाई करने से पहले. सो 3A plus 12. ट्रांसपोज करो. A minus 3A plus 16D minus 12D is equal to 4 रहेगा वहीं पे as it is. So A minus 3 will give me minus 2A plus 4D is equal to 4. 2 ले लेते हैं कॉमन, बचेगा क्या? A minus A plus 2D is equal to 4. 2 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो minus A plus 2D is equal to 4 by 2. ओके, तो 4 by 2 को पता है क्या लिख सकते हैं उसको? Minus A plus 2D is equal to 2. Right, that is my second equation I'll consider because ये इसको पहले ही लिखना था. A plus 9D is equal to 31. This is my first equation. Okay, first equation और second equation को solve करते हैं to find out the A and D value. That is my first equation and second equation is minus A plus 2B is equal to 2. कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट ऐड करेंगे दोनों को. फर्स्ट टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 11D is equal to 31 plus 2 33 आएगा. D is equal to 33 by 11. I'll be getting D value as 3. Difference we got it. Let us find out A value. कोई भी एक इक्वेशन लेकर हम कर सकते हैं. I'll be going with A plus 9D is equal to 31 equation. Okay. A के वैल्यू पता नहीं. 9 और D के वैल्यू 3 is equal to 31. So A plus 9 3 is 27 is equal to 31. So A is equal to 31 minus 27 कितना आएगा? A is equal to 4. D भी आ गया, A भी आया. क्वेश्चन क्या है फाइंड आउट करने का? They are asking to find the last three terms. Last three terms. Last three terms कौन से रहेंगे? 30 terms है. So 30 term last रहेगा. 29 last second रहेगा. Okay, and 28th term last third रहेगा. 18th term फाइंड आउट करने का हमें. So A term को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? A plus 27. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो तो ये आएगा. Okay. A plus A का वैल्यू है 4 plus 27. D का वैल्यू है 3. लिटिल बिट थोड़ा बहुत मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो 4 plus 27 into 3 7 are 21 3 plus 6 7 8. सो कितना आएगा हमें? 85. करेक्ट. अब A29 कितना आएगा? आगे का टर्म फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो 85 plus 3 कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है? 3 है. करेक्ट. So 85 plus 3 करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 88. और लास्ट टर्म A30. 88 plus 3 कितना आएगा? 91. So last three terms are 85, 88, 91. 85, 88 and 91 are the last three terms of an AP. Just copy down. If I read any mistake, just let me know. Okay, and I hope you are getting the explanation. Just copy down the solution. Let us go with the next one. So let us go with the next question. That is the fifth one. They give you some data. Let us write down what they give us. The sixth term they're talking about. The sixth term is 1 more than. More than is nothing but we need to add up. That is A6 is equal to 1. More than is nothing but plus third term. Twice. Twice का meaning है 2 बार. 2 of third term. That is 2A. We can write down. And they're asking the sum of the fourth term and the fifth term is 5 times the second term. What are they saying? Sum of 4, that is S4 plus S5. S4 plus S5. Okay, sum of the fourth term and the fifth term is 5 times the second term. 5 times the second term. 8. Sum of fourth and fifth term. Okay, so it's not like s power 4, not to be written in that way. Okay, that means fourth term ka or fifth term ka sum. Okay, that is what the meaning of the statement they gave you. You should not consider S4 and S5, right? So fourth term of fifth term का sum कितना है? It is 5 times the second. That is 5 of 8. So let us form some equation to find out A and D values. So A6 को हम लिख सकते हैं A plus 5D is equal to 1 plus twice of A plus 2D. So A plus 5D is equal to 1 plus twice of A, that is 2A plus 4D. Transpose it to left hand side. So we're gonna get it A minus 2A plus 5D minus 4D is equal to 1. Separate it, you will get it as minus A plus D is equal to 1. That is our first equation. Okay. Next over here A plus 4D, A4 fourth term को कैसे लिख सकते हैं A plus 3D and fifth term को कैसे लिख सकते हैं A plus 4D is equal to 5 of A plus D. So A plus A को कितना A 2A आएगा 3D plus 4D आएगा 7 is equal to 5A plus 5D. Transpose it to left hand side, we're gonna get it as a 2A minus 5A plus 7D minus 5D is equal to 0. So 2A minus 5 will get it as minus 3 plus 2D is equal to 0. Right? This is what we got it. As you can see in both of the equation, none of the term we can cancel it, right? Not even a single term we can cancel it. So what क्या करेंगे हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्योंकि मुझे a का वैल्यू यहाँ पे 3a है, इसको कैंसिल करने के लिए मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. Okay, so minus 3a I'll get plus 3d I'll get is equal to 3 I'll get. Okay, second equation को साथ में solve करेंगे. So minus 3a plus 2d is equal to 0. Subtract करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? Let's see. So this negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, and this minus. The first sum gets cancelled. 3d minus 2d will give me d. 3 minus 0 will give me 3. Difference, we got it. Let us find out a. Minus a plus d is equal to 1. Minus a plus 3 is equal to 1. Minus a is equal to 1 minus 2. Minus a is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Sorry, it is 3. So I'll be getting minus 2. So a is equal to, I got it as a 2. Okay. A is equal to 2. Okay. And they're asking to find out the 10th term. So A10 is equal to A plus 9. A का वैल्यू है 2 plus 9 और B का वैल्यू है 3. So 2 plus 9 3 is 27. 2 plus 9 27 will give me 29. Okay, 10th term का वैल्यू कितना रहेगा? 29. That is the fifth solution. I hope you have been clear with the solution. If you need doubt, just comment your doubt in the comment section. Okay, 67th are similar to the problems, 5 problems which we solved it. So that's for you all. तुम्हारे लिए practice it and just comment your answer or just replying to your answer whether it is right or wrong. Okay, so I'll be solving directly the 8th one. It is little bit different. Okay, so 8th one. So 8th one solve करते हैं. 5 terms. There are 5 terms are there. कितने terms है? 5 terms. The sum of these terms is 55. Sum of these terms. Total कितने terms है? 5 terms है. इनका sum कितना है? 55. That means S5 का value है 55. Fifth term नहीं बोले, sum of 5 terms बोले. Okay, there are 5 terms in arithmetic and sum of this term. बोले तो ये 5 term का sum है 55. That means S5 is equal to 55. We have to consider. Okay, and they gave fourth term. So I'll take it as A4 is equal to 5. If they give 5, so I'm writing 5. More than बोले तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? Plus sum of first two terms. Sum of first two terms. Both the yes. Okay. Sum of first term both the yes to लगाना पड़ेगा. Okay. Let us find out equation to find out e and d value. Yes 5 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 5/2 of 2. A के वैल्यू पता नहीं प्लस n के वैल्यू 5 minus 1 d we don't know is equal to 5, 55. Okay, so 5/2 को लिखेंगे as it is 2a plus 4d आएगा. Okay, 2a plus 4d में हम कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. What we shall take it as common? 2 we shall take it as a common. Remaining will be a plus 2. Okay, यहाँ पर right hand side 55 लिखना as it is. Okay, a2 cancel and 5 cross multiply across. So a plus 2d is equal to 55/5. So a plus 2d is equal to 11 आएगा. That is our first equation. Let us find out the second equation. a4 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a plus 3d is equal to 5 plus s2 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2/2 of 2a plus 2 minus 1d. Okay, a2 cancel. So a plus 3d is equal to 5 plus 2a plus d. Okay, transpose a minus 2a plus 3d minus d is equal to 5. So a minus 2a के वैल्यू आएगा minus a plus 2d is equal to 5 and that is our second equation. Solve first and second. Okay, so यहाँ पे solve करेंगे. So minus a plus 2d is equal to 11. That is first equation. Sorry, यहाँ पे minus नहीं है. Let me erase it that one. Oh. और सेकेंड इक्वेशन है माइनस ए प्लस 2d इज इक्वल टू 5. दोनों को कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट यू कैन टेक इट एज एन एडिशन. सो फर्स्ट टर्म गेट्स कैंसल. सो 4d इज इक्वल टू 11 प्लस 5 आएगा 16. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 16/4 आएगा 4. d इज इक्वल टू 4. Any one equation you can consider. So I'll be going with a plus 2d. That is first equation. A plus 2d is equal to 11. A plus 2d. D का value है 4 is equal to 11. So a plus 8 is equal to 11. Transpose करो. So a is equal to 11 minus 8. So a will be equal to 3. Difference पता है. First term पता है. Find the AB. Okay. So first term is 3. Second term क्या आएगा? Difference को add करो कितना आएगा? 7. One second difference को add करो कितना difference? 4. So total आएगा 11. 3, 7, 11 and so on. That is our solution for the 8th one. I hope this was the easiest one. Okay, and I guess you have been clear with the solution. If any doubt, just comment it. Okay, so let us go with the 11th one. Sorry, yeah, no, 10th one. As 9th one is a similar one. What we solved it now, that is 8th one. So 8th and same type के हैं. So 9th one आप लोगों के लिए just practice it, try करो, answer, comment करो, HL, just go through. Okay, so we'll go with the 11th, 10th one, sorry, 10th one जाएंगे. 10th one what they're saying, they give the sum of second and fourth term. Okay, sum of second and fourth term, how much they gave you? 54, right? So सेकेंड और फोर्थ टर्म को मिला के 54 आएगा एंड सम ऑफ इट्स फर्स्ट 11 टर्म इज 693. बोले तो yes 11 is equal to 693 लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, let's solve it. So yes 2 plus sorry sum of second and fourth. yes ने ले लेगा. a2 plus a4 is equal to 54. So a2 को हम लिख सकते हैं a plus d. a4 को लिख सकते हैं हम a plus 3 is equal to 54. a plus a हो जाएगा 2a, d plus 3d हो जाएगा 4d is equal to 54. 2 को कॉमन ले सकते हैं. 2 कॉमन तो क्या बचेगा? a plus 2d is equal to 54. 2 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. व्हाट वी गेट द वैल्यू एज. So a plus 2d is equal to 54/2. So a plus 2d is equal to 27. That is our first equation. Okay. So यहाँ पे दिया है sum of his first 11 term. बोले तो S11 का वैल्यू है 693. S11 को हम कैसे लगेंगे? 11/2 of 2a plus 11 minus 1d is equal to 693. So 11/2 of 2a plus 11 minus 1 हो जाएगा 10. So 10d बचेगा is equal to 693 as it is. So bracket के terms में हम 2 common ले लेंगे. So 11/2 into 2 is common. What will be remaining? A plus 5d is equal to 690. Correct. So a2 cancel. 11 to cross multiply करो. So 11 a plus 5d is equal to 693 by 11. दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें कितना आएगा? 693 divided by 11 करेंगे तो हमें आएगा वैल्यू 63. That will become our second equation. Okay. So let us move forward. Using these two equations, that is a plus 2d is equal to 27 and a plus 5d is equal to 63. दोनों को subtract करो. So first term gets cancelled. First term cancel हो जाएगा. So 2d minus 3 5d will be minus 3d is equal to 27 minus 63. I'll get minus 36. 36 by 3. 36 by 12 का value 36 by 3 का value आएगा 12. Any equation you can consider, I'll be going with a plus 2d is equal to 27. So a plus 2d का value at 12 is equal to 27. A plus 24 is equal to 27. 24 को ट्रांसपोज करो 27 minus 24 का वैल्यू आएगा 3. So first term पता है और कॉमन डिफरेंस का वैल्यू पता है. पूछ क्या रहे देखते हैं. Let's see what they are asking us to find out. Let's see. They are asking to find out which of this progression is 132 more than its 54th term. More than its 54th term. बोले तो 54th term से 132 वैल्यू ज्यादा आएगा. ओके वो 132 वैल्यू कौन से टर्म का ज्यादा आएगा 54th टर्म से? दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन. ओके सो So an is equal, determine which of the term is an is equal to 132 plus 54. 54th term से 132 value ज्यादा. Okay. Which of the term we don't know. We are finding your n value. Remember that. Okay. So an value I'm not substituting anything. I'll be writing an as it is 132 plus a54. a54 को हम लिख सकते हैं a plus 53d. Okay, so an is equal to 132 plus a का वैल्यू आया कितना 3. 53 of d का वैल्यू है 12. Yeah, that's too big. So 132 plus 3 आएगा 135 plus 53 into 12 आएगा कितना 53 into 12. Let's see how much. 53 into 12 636. Now an के वैल्यू फॉर्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूट करते दैट इज व्हाट a plus n minus 1d. ओके 135 plus 636 का वैल्यू आएगा 771. a का वैल्यू है 3 plus n we don't know. d का वैल्यू है 12. 771. So n minus 1 12 as it is equal to 771 minus n minus 1 of 12. 771 minus 3 is 668. Okay, 12 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो n minus 1 is equal to 668 by 12 का वैल्यू आएगा n minus 1 is equal to 668 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 64 आएगा. 12 है. माइनस 1 को ट्रांसपोज करो n is equal to 64 plus 1 तो n is equal to आएगा 65. तो 65 फिफ्थ टर्म का वैल्यू 54th टर्म से ज्यादा. कितना ज्यादा 132. That is our question. That was they're asking us, and that's value we got as n as 65th term. But the 65th term का value 132 ज्यादा. 54 term से 132 value ज्यादा आएगा. Okay. So from 54 term 132 will be more in 65th term. That was the question, and we got n as 65. So let us go with the next one. I hope you have been clear with the solution. If once again you want me to explain this, I'll be making separate video on this question. Okay. So just comment it if you want it separately, and let us go with the next question. The first and the last terms of an arithmetic progression are 3 and 253. First term पता है a का वैल्यू है 3 और लास्ट टर्म का वैल्यू an is equal to 253. इसको L भी लिख सकते हैं. 20th term of the progression is a20 का वैल्यू है 98. Find the AP they are saying also find the sum of the last 10 terms of this progression. Okay. That statement let us see later. Let us find out A and D value. A term to pata hai. Okay. So let us find out D value. So A plus 19 D is equal to 98. Okay. So A का value है 3 that is given already in our question. D का value find out करने का is equal to 19. So 19D is equal to 98 minus 3. So we'll be getting the value as a 95. Cross multiply करो 95 by 19. So D का value आएगा कितना? 5. Right, that's right. Okay. So moving further, let us see what we are find out. Last 10 terms का sum find out करो बोले. So we need to find out totally how many terms are. They gave me en value, en का value a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 2 pi. ये last term का value है, okay. So a का value 3, n we don't know, d का value है 5 is equal to 2 pi. 3 का value transpose करो, n minus 1 of pi को लिखो as it is. So 253 minus 3. So n minus 1 is equal to 250 और 5 को cross multiply करो. So n minus 1 is equal to आएगा 50 minus 1 को transpose करो you will get 50 plus 1. So n value we got as 51. That means total terms are how many? 51. That 51 term का value 253. Okay. Now they are asking to find out the last 10 terms का value. Last 10 terms. कौन से 51, 50, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 42 टर्म्स से लेके 51 टर्म्स को मुझे ऐड करना पड़ेगा. I need to add is all these three terms. These are just a term, their value we don't know. Remember that one. Okay, we don't know. So to find out the sum of the last terms, 10 terms, we need to know the A value, we need to know the D value. D value will be the same. A value will be different because we are adding not first, we are adding last. So last के 10 term में से first term कौन सा है 42. तो 42 का value we have to consider as our A value. Remember, okay. So A42 का फॉर्मूला है A plus 41D. A का वैल्यू है what is our A value 3 plus 41 D का वैल्यू है 5. So 3 plus 41 not 8. Remember. Okay. Let us find out the sum of the last 10 terms. Last 10 terms. Okay. 10 by 2 this time A value is not the A value what they gave because we are not adding from first, we are adding from the last. So last में से first term कौन सा है 42nd जिसका value है 208. That will be our A value. Remember, okay, that will be our A value. 208 plus 10 minus 1 D. D का value है 5. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 of 2 into 208 will give me the value as 416 plus 9 bracket 5. So 5 of 416 plus 45. Add it, you will get it how much? 5 of 416 plus 45 will get it 461. Multiply, you will get the answer as 2305. That is the sum of the last 10 terms. Last 10 terms. Sentence should be written the sum of last 10 terms is 2305. Okay, one question I gave you extra, that is the 12th one. It is been at the on the screen. As you can see, it is of the ratio, just solid. It is for you all. Just comment your answer. I'll be just verifying whether the answer is right or wrong. Okay, even if you're not able to solve, just comment it. I'll be just preparing a video of this solution. Okay. So thank you for watching all. Thank you once again.